Hey everyone, I am just gonna hop on here and do this quick little workout. You can see my lovely room here. And I don't know what my camera's doing. But anyways, what I'm gonna do today, so I have really weak shoulders. So this video is going to go over some workouts that are gonna be really good for people who have multidirectional instability. So basically what that means is my shoulders, they just come out of place really easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some exercises to help strengthen the muscles in my shoulders, so in my rotator cuffs and all that. So that way it's going to help make it stronger and build it up to where it doesn't do that as much. So that's what I'm doing today. All right, here's the first one. We're gonna do 10 to 12 reps on this. So basically, I'm starting off with, I got these in my little hip box that I've received, but this is the light band, just because my shoulders are really weak and I'm not very strong in those. So, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just going to do this as far back as I can and hold it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to repeat that 2 more times. Okay, I'm doing the shoulder one again. This is the last round of it. And here we go. You can see this back here. Each time you do that, you're flexing your back. And pretend like you have something in the middle of your shoulder blades there, like you're smashing it. Hold it each time. So for this one I'm going to do a resisted row with the band. So this one's a 4/4 band here. So the 2 will go at my feet, 2 on the bottom, and then I'm going to hold the other 2 and I'm going to kind of spread my legs out a little bit more. Now we're just going to do a row. And we're just going to be like that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm on the last round now on the resisted rows with the band. I'm going to turn around so you can see it from this view. So you're going to bend back a little bit, shoulders up, you're going to squeeze your abs in. Same thing, row back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now with this one, we're going to be doing the internal rotator. So I have my band, I got something, I just wrapped up a feet sweatband. I'm going to put it under my arm. And you're going to take your band, you're going to walk over to a doorknob. So on here, you're going to loop it around and again, and hold it up. And then you're going to go like this. You just take your arm in. So 1, 2, 3. It's not supposed to do that. Maybe 2 loose. Or 2 light for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With that, you're holding your shoulder as tight in as you can. Same thing with your body. All this is tight, your arm is just going in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You should feel it all in your shoulder there. And you're going to reverse sides. Okay, keep this up. Just going to go under this arm. And the same thing. Looped around. And we're going to go 1. This is going out. 2, 3. Wait. Whoop. That off. So accidents are going to happen. Okay, so hold again. I'm just going to hold it here, that way I can secure it better. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this shoulder is way weaker than the other one for me, because I'm right-handed, not left-handed. So again, try to keep everything in your core tight. Try to just move with just your arm, keeping your shoulder tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is the last one. This is the bent over butterfly curls. So, I'm on a little stability ball here. So, you can sit in a chair, you can do whatever. You can even stand and do it like this if you wanted. So I'm gonna sit, and you're gonna bend over, and then you're gonna lift your arms up. You don't wanna go up too high. This is about, it's kind of hard to see from here. This is about as high as you want them to go. And this is with, I'm using just 3-pound weights. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. 3 pounds is heavy when you don't have very strong shoulders, so don't do too much, especially if you have instability in your shoulders like I do. Round 2. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Can really feel that in my back. Well, you can't because my camera's moving. You can really see it taking a hold of your back there. So, my camera's acting up. Sorry, y'all. This video's kind of all over the place. Anyways, it's the first time for me to use this 360 camera. So, trying to have a productive day. Had my cleaning done, or attempting at getting it done. And now I'm about to go do my cardio to get my day really off to a good start. But that's my day 1 on my arm stretches. I don't know where my camera's going. Let me move over so that lights me going. So, that is day 1 on my arm stretches for that instability joint in my shoulders for both sides. So, I hope y'all liked this video. If you have any comments, just leave them at the bottom there. Subscribe to my channel if you want to catch in on the new stuff that comes through. I'm just new beginning off, so I have so many interests. It's gonna kind of go all over the place, from beauty to lifestyle to health to just fashion to everywhere. So I kind of dabble in it all. So once again, like this, share it, subscribe to my channel on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, all that wonderful business. And thanks again for watching, y'all. Mwah.